Alright, welcome back. It is February 17th. Guess what I'm doing today? I'm going to be moving more snow. I think we got about 3 or 4 more inches overnight. Still coming down a little bit, but it's supposed to quit now. And they say, hopefully, this is going to be our last winter blast, but we shall see how that plays out. This is really light stuff, so it's easy to move. But you can see the drifts back there by the garage. See how that one along the door there? How high that drift is. I gotta get the Ranger out of there, so I gotta go plow that down first. But like I do before, I'm gonna get this opened up first. Then we'll do the deck, make a path, and we'll go have some fun with the Ranger. So I'll be back. The temperature is minus 15 right now. That's what the feels like temperature. The actual temperature is like 2. It really doesn't feel that bad out. It really doesn't. The wind's not blowing, which is a good thing. So I'll be back. I'll talk to you later. Alright, that didn't take as long as I thought it would. Snow is actually very light. Got the deck done up to the front yard. Got this concrete done. Now I need to go get the Ranger out and get this stuff moved out a little bit. Not going to worry about it too much, just knock a lot of the drifts down. I could probably drive out if I wanted to, but I got to get that drift knocked down for sure. So let's go get the workhorse out and see if we can get some of this knocked down. Hello, it's me again. Oh yeah, here we go again, huh? next storm. Alright, so I don't know how much of that video got cut off before, but that white piece of plastic broke off pretty easy again. So I'm gonna have to come up with a different system on that, I think. But sorry for another snow removal video, but that's just the way my life has been the last couple of days, last week or so. Actually, that drift's been knocked down. I had some nice drifts around the corner there. Got those knocked down. So we can get out at least again anyway. Got a lot of snow, and it's snowing again. It wasn't supposed to snow anymore today. So I'm gonna be done. Hopefully they say this is gonna be our last winter storm for the season. Hopefully next week it's supposed to be up in the 40s and 50s. So hopefully it'll melt a lot of this crap and we'll get back to a normal life again. So with that, I'm going to sign off again. So we'll talk to y'all later. All right, stay great.